Good morning students. In the previous session we have started lesson number 4, angles and pairs of angles. In that we have solved practice set 15. Now today we will solve practice set 16. Before that we will see the definition of complementary angles. Yes, as you can see here, this is the definition for complementary angles. If the sum of the measures of two angles is 90 degree, then they are known as complementary angles. If the sum of the measures of two angles is 90 degree, if the addition or the sum of the two angles is 90 degree, then they are known as complementary angles. I hope you are clear with the definition. Yes, if the sum of the measures of two angles is 90 degree, then they are known as complementary angles. Now we will see one example. Yes, as you can see here, one example. Yes, observe the angles in the figure and enter the proper number in the box. As you can see, there are two angles, angle ABC and angle PQR. Yes, so measure of angle ABC. First we will write down the measure of angle ABC. Yes, as you can see here, this is angle ABC. What is the measure of this angle? Yes, this is 40 degree. So we will write down here 40 degree. What is the measure of PQR? Angle PQR. This is angle PQR and the measure of angle PQR is correct 50 degree. So we will write down 50 degree here. Yes. Now third one, this is measure of angle ABC plus measure of angle PQR. Yes, what is the measure of angle ABC? 40 degree. What is the measure of angle PQR? That is 50 degree. So 40 degree plus 50 degree means the sum of the two angles, that is 40 degree plus 50 degree is equal to, yes, what is 40 plus 50? Correct, 90 degrees. So measure of angle ABC plus measure of angle PQR is equal to 90 degree. Correct. So the sum of these two angles is 90 degree. So they are complementary angles. Yes. So this is the definition. If the sum of the two angles is 90 degree, then they are known as complementary angles. Yes. So angle ABC and angle PQR are complementary angles. Down you can see here, the sum of the measures of angle ABC and angle PQR is 90 degree. Yes, their sum is 90 degree. The addition of the angles is 90 degree. Therefore, they are complementary angles. I hope you are clear with this example. Yes. Now we will move to the next. Yes, one more example we will see. Find the measure of the complement of an angle of measure 70 degree. Yes, one angle is given, that is 70 degree. You will find out the measure of the complement of angle 70 degree. So in the solution, as you can see here, in the solution first we will consider, let the measure of the complementary angle be x. Yes, the another angle which is complementary to 70 degree, that we are consider as x. Let the measure of the complementary angle be x. Yes. So what is the measure of the first angle which is given? That is 70 degree. And what is the complementary of 70 degree we are considered? That is x. Correct. So 70 plus x is equal to 90 degree. As you can see here in the first step, 70 plus x is equal to 90 degree. Why I have written here 90 degree? Yes, because they are complementary. So sum of their angles is 90 degree. So 70 is given in the question and x we are considered. So 70 plus x is equal to 90 degree. Yes. So x is equal to this plus 70. It will go that side. So it becomes minus 70, as you can see here in the second step. So x is equal to 90 minus 70. This is the second step. So x is equal to 90 minus 70. So 90 minus 70 is correct, 20. So what is the measure of x? X is equal to 20 degree. Yes. So the measure of the complement of an angle of measure 70 degree is 20 degree. Correct. So what is the complementary angle of 70 degree? That is 20 degree. If you want to see your answer is correct or no, then you can add these two measures, that is 70 plus 20. Yes, 70 plus 20 is 90 degree. Correct. So what is the measure of the sum of the measure of the complementary angle? That is 90 degree. So 70 plus 20, that is 90 degree. I hope you are clear with this sum. Okay, now we'll move to the next, that is practice set 16. Yes, before that once again we will revise the definition. If the sum of the measure of two angles is 90 degree, then they are called as complementary angles. Yes, we have seen one example. Okay, now we'll start with practice set 16. Yes, practice set 16, question number 1. The measures of some angles are given below. Write the measures of their complementary angles. Yes, the measure of the angle is given. We need to find out measure of their complementary angle. Means one angle is given. We need to find out the complementary of the angle which is given. Okay, so we'll start now. First question, that is 40 degree, as you can see here. Now we'll find out solution again. Now one angle is given, that is 40 degree. Yes, first step what we will do here in the solution, let the measure of the complementary angle be x. So what is the complementary angle of this 40 degree? That we will consider it as x. Correct. So in the first step, 40 plus x is equal to 90 degree. Yes, 40 which is given in the question, and x, the another angle which we have considered, that is x. So 40 plus x is equal to 90. Why we have written 90 here? Because the sum of the two angles, it's equal to 90 degree. Yes, if they are complementary. So now this plus 40, it will go this side, it becomes minus 40. Correct. So what is the second step? As you can see here, x is equal to 90 minus 40. Correct. So 90 minus 40 is 50, right? So x is equal to 50. This is the answer. So the measure of complement of an angle of measure 40 degree is 50 degree. Correct. So what is the measure of its complementary angle of 40 degree? That is 50 degree. Yes. If you want to check your answer, 40 plus 50 is equal to 90 degrees. So they are complementary angles. Yes, I hope you are clear with the first sum. Yes, in the solution first we will consider the complementary angle, that is x. So 40 plus x is equal to 90 degree. So x is equal to 90 minus 40. So x is equal to 50 degree. So the measure of the complement of an angle of measure 40 degree is 50 degree. I hope you are clear with this sum. First sum. Okay, now we'll move to the next, second sum. Yes, this is second sum now. 63 degree. The measure of one angle is given, that is 63 degree. Now you will find out the measure of its complementary angle. Yes. So we will consider first in the solution, we will consider let the measure of the complementary angle be x. Correct. So as I have written it here, solution, let the measure of the complementary angle be x. Yes. So what is the first step? We will write down the angle, the measure of the angle which is given, that is 63 degree, plus the another angle which we are consider it as x. So 63 plus x is equal to 90 degree. Yes, because they are complementary. So their sum is 90 degree. Now in the second step, this 63, it will go this side, so it becomes minus 63. Correct. So x is equal to, in the second step, as you can see here, x is equal to 90 minus 63. Yes. Do the subtraction now. 90 minus 63 is correct, 27. So x is equal to 27 degree. So the final answer is the measure of the complement of an angle of measure 63 degree is 27 degree. Correct. So what is the measure of its complementary angle? That is 27 degree. Yes. So these are the two angles which makes sum of 90 degree. Yes, 63 plus 27, that is 90 degrees. So they are complementary angles. I hope you are clear with the second sum. Okay. Now we'll move to the next, third sum. Yes, as you can see here, this is the third sum. 45 degree. Yes, the measure of one angle is given, that is 45 degree. Now you will find out measure of its complementary angle. Yes, in the solution first we will consider, let the measure of the complementary angle be x. Yes, we will consider it as x. So in the first step, 45 plus x is equal to 90 degree, as you can see here in the first step. So 45 plus x, first angle is given, that is 45, and second angle we are consider it as x. So 45 plus x is equal to 90 degree. Then in the second step, x is equal to this plus 45, it will go this side, so it becomes minus 45. Correct. So x is equal to 90 minus 45. Yes, now do the subtraction here. 90 minus 45 is, yes, correct, 45. So the answer is x is equal to 45 degree. Yes, now I will write down the final answer. The measure of the complement of an angle of measure 45 degree is 45 degree. Correct. So 45 plus 45, it is 90 degree. Yes, so they are complementary angles. I hope you are clear with all the three sums. Okay, any doubt till here? Okay, now we'll see the next sum. Now we will see the fourth sum. As you can see here, 55 degree. Yes, the measure of one angle is given, that is 55 degree. Now you will find out complementary angle of this 55 degree. So we will consider it as x. Yes, in the solution, as you can see, let the measure of the complementary angle be x. So what is the measure of its complementary angle? That we consider it as x. Yes, so first step is 55 plus x is equal to 90 degree. Yes, as you can see here, one angle is 55 and the other angle that we are considering it as x. So 55 plus x is equal to 90 degree, as they are complementary, so their sum is 90 degree. Now this plus 55, it will go that side, so it becomes minus. So x is equal to 90 minus 55. Yes, this is the second step. So 90 minus 55, do the subtraction here. 90 minus 55 is correct, 35. So x is equal to 35 degree. Yes, so what is the complementary angle of 55 degree? That is 35 degree. So you will write down final answer. The measure of the complement of an angle of measure 55 degree is 35 degree. Yes, 55 plus 35, you will get 90 degree. Yes, I hope you are clear with the fourth sum. Okay, now we'll move to the next, fifth sum. Yes, as you can see here, fifth one, the measure of one angle is given, that is 20 degree. You will find out measure of its complementary angle. So for that, first we will consider it as x. Correct. In the solution, let the measure of the complementary angle be x. Yes, let the measure of the complementary angle be x. So first step is what? 20 plus x is equal to 90 degree. As you can see here, yes, one angle is 20 degree and the another angle we are considered it as x. So 20 plus x is equal to 90 degree. Correct. So in the second step, this plus 20 you will write down here this side. So it becomes minus 20. Correct. So what will come in the second step? X is equal to 90 minus 20. So 90 minus 20 is what? Yes, 90 minus 20, 70. Correct. So what is the answer? X is equal to 70 degree. Yes. So the measure of the complement of an angle of measure 20 degree is 70 degree. Yes. So what is the measure of this complementary of this angle 20 degree? That is 70 degree. 20 plus 70, that is 90. So they are complementary angles. I hope you are clear. Okay. Now we'll move to the next sum. Now sixth sum, 90 degree. Yes, the measure of one angle is given, that is 90 degree. So in the solution, let the measure of the complementary angle be x. We will consider the other angle. It should be x. Yes. Now in the first step, 90 plus x is equal to 90. Correct. As you can see here, first angle is given it as 90 and the second angle we are consider it as x. So 90 plus x is equal to 90. So x is equal to, yes, this 90 it will go this side, so it becomes minus 90. So in the second step, as you can see here, x is equal to 90 minus 90. So x is equal to 0 degree. Yes. What is the complementary angle of this 90 degree? 0 degree. Yes. Why? Because the sum of the two angles, it should be 90. So first angle is 90. So another angle should be 0 degree. Yes. The measure of the complement of an angle of measure 90 degree is 0 degree. Yes. 90 plus 0 is equal to 90. I hope you are clear with the sixth sum. Okay, now we'll move to the next sum, that is question number 7. Yes, as you can see here, question number 7, the measure of angle is given, that is x degree. You will find out complementary angle of this x degree. So we will consider it as, now we will not consider it as x. Already in the question it is given x degree. So take another alphabet. Now we will consider it as y. Yes, as you can see here. Let the measure of the complementary angle be y. Yes. So in the first step, what is the measure? First angle is given, that is x. What we are consider it as second angle? That is y. So x plus y is equal to 90 degree. I hope you are clear with the first step. Yes, for angle is which is given, the measure of angle is given, that is x degree, and complementary angle we are consider it as y degree. So x plus y is equal to 90. Now this x, it will go that side, so it becomes minus x. Correct. So what is the second step now? Y is equal to 90 minus x. Correct. So what is the measure of complementary angle? That is y is equal to 90 minus x degree. Yes. So the measure of the complement of an angle of measure x degree is 90 minus x degree. Correct. Yes. If the x degree, then its complementary angle is 90 minus x degree. So today we have completed question number 1. I hope you are clear with all the sums. Yes. We have seen the definition of complementary angles. Yes, what is the definition? If the sum of the two angles is 90 degree, then they are known as complementary angles. Then we have solved the sums. Okay, so today we will stop till here. In the next session, we will start with question number 2. Thank you so much.